Paella is said to be the region of Valencia's most internationally renowned dish, and it's easy to see why. Loved across the globe, paella is a crowd pleaser that is perfect for Sundays, long lunches, and shared moments around the table. Don't miss out on this unique foodie experience. Allipebre is the taste of yesteryear. Homely, traditional, and slightly spicy, this delicious dish has its roots in the areas around l'Albufera de Valencia. Why not try making it yourself? A true ode to the sea, arroz banda combines fresh seafood with earthy tones like Nora pepper. This is a classic Mediterranean dish that you simply have to try. Head to the coast and tuck into this delight. It'll be the highlight of your day. Indulge your sweet tooth with sweet potato pastries. Though a Christmas favorite, they can be enjoyed year-round and are available in traditional bakeries and pastry shops. Treat yourself to one of these delectable half-moon delights. When you sit down in a restaurant in Castellón, make sure you order olla de la Plana. Made with locally sourced, fresh, high-quality ingredients, the stew tastes of tradition. One bite will transport you back to childhood memories of heartwarming meals at your grandparents' house. At home or during your getaway, the region of Valencia's gastronomy is the perfect invitation to explore a corner of Spain that is bustling with Mediterranean attitude.